Your vehicle is equipped with a vehicle information system that monitors a host of vehicle functions. Vehicle information display is located here in the instrument panel. Press these buttons located on the instrument panel to access the menus and submenus. Some menus may vary based on the equipment installed on your vehicle. In the Setting and Warning screen, press this button to cycle through the various modes available. Press this button to choose the selected menu. To reset the average fuel consumption, press and hold this switch for more than 1 second. The average speed will be reset at the same time. Just below the vehicle information display, you'll find the odometer and twin trip odometer, which are displayed when the ignition switch is in the on position. The odometer records the total distance the vehicle has been driven, while the twin trip odometer records the distance of 2 individual trips. You'll see the trip reset switch on the side of the instrument panel. Push it to change the display from trip A to trip B and back again. Push and hold the switch for more than 1 second to reset the selected odometer. Please see your owner's manual for important safety information, system limitations, and additional operating and feature information.